Hello, marketers. With a lot of plugins out there, you might be confused as to which plugin you must use to track all your conversions for your WooCommerce store in Google Ads, Meta Ads, and all other platforms. In this video, I'll take you through the best plugins that are available for you to choose from. So, do a detailed analysis based on the information I'll be giving you and choose the best plugin for your WooCommerce store to track conversions inside Google Ads, Meta Ads, etc. So, I have picked up the seven best WooCommerce conversion tracking plugins for tracking conversions inside Google Ads and Meta Ads. So, let's see what are them next. So, I'll be showing you all the list, not at once, but we'll be going one plugin after the other plugin. First, I bring to your attention CustomerLabs plugin that is helpful for tracking all your WooCommerce conversion trackings. It is one of the best WooCommerce plugins out there to track your conversions for your WooCommerce store and send it to ad platforms seamlessly. The entire setup of CustomerLabs is very easy. I'm not kidding. It's just a few clicks that it takes and it goes beyond conversion tracking. Let's see what it is and what are the features of CustomerLabs that we should know. So, firstly, CustomerLabs offers you with a seamless setup for automatic event tracking without signal loss. For your WooCommerce store, all you have to do is link your WooCommerce store with CustomerLabs with just a few clicks, and all your standard events, including product viewed, category viewed, added to wish list. Sorry, wish list will not be tracked automatically, but you can track it by using custom conversion that can be done later on. So checkout made, category viewed, purchased, add to cart, removed from cart, product viewed. All of these events can be tracked seamlessly with just a few clicks. All these are standard events inside ads, so you can track with just checking these boxes, and your conversions will be tracked inside Meta Ads and Google Ads. Next, 1P domain tracking. Custom Labs offers you with first party domain tracking or 1P domain tracking that helps you track the users effectively by capturing the complete customer journey. This customer journey that you capture will be across sessions. So even if the user is exiting the session and coming back later, even after 7 days, you can still continue the user's journey inside Custom Labs. I mean, you can track and have a complete picture of that user. This advanced tracking mechanism is fully compliant with data privacy laws and is not blocked by any ad blocker, as it is your own domain that is setting the cookies using 1P domain tracking. And it goes a step further and extends the cookie lifetime. So the cookie is almost never expired. It's like an essential cookie that stays almost forever in on users' browsers, be it Safari, Firefox, anything, and helping you track the complete user's journey. And don't worry, it's completely privacy compliant. Number three, custom helps you with storing all the data that you collect almost for as long as you want. This gives you a flexibility to leverage data accrued over a period of time and activate them. For example, you can track and store all the data of users who visited your WooCommerce store for your Halloween and retarget them after 2 months for BFCM, Christmas, and New Year. So that is advantage that you'll be getting with Custom Labs. So you can store your data as long as you want. Although the time period is shown as 6 months or 1 year, or based on the category that you choose, you have the ability to store your data as long as you want. Number four, Custom Labs helps you with consent. How? So once you get the consent from a user visiting your WooCommerce store, you can store this consent for all the users inside Customer Labs. If you also have an offline store, you can bring in your offline data, merge it with your online data, and sync these consent parameters with the offline users and send it to ad platforms along with these consent parameters. Next, easy integration. You can connect your Google Ads, you can leverage enhanced conversion tracking, you can set conversions API, you can set up any other connection with any platform very easily. It's just a few clicks is what all it takes. When you're sending all this data, do not assume that it's only your online WooCommerce store data. If you have an offline store, you can also send that offline store through conversion tracking or through conversions API to see conversion uplift inside ad platforms. You can also integrate GA4 using Google's measurement protocol, which is a server side connection, to share your data without any signal loss. With the liberty to create and share custom events, you get a complete analysis of your website visitor data inside GA4 when you connect CustomerLabs with GA4. CustomerLabs has around 35 plus integrations, allowing you to share data across any platform of your choice and play around with data as you want. If you have any custom integration requirement, that also can be done using CustomerLabs. Additional features, so these are the prime features that you would be needing, but there are additional features that you would be getting when you're using CustomerLabs. Stitcher 2.0, the advanced identity resolution that helps you map the user identities across multiple sessions, platforms, and data warehouses. For instance, if you have the same user's data on your payment subscription system or any CRM and also your WooCommerce store, using Custom Lab Stitcher, you can merge all of this data into one single profile of a user, getting a 360-degree view of that user. This helps you map the customer journey across multiple touch points, giving you an overall view of a user. Next amazing feature is custom audience segmentation. This allows you to segment the audience data based on their demographics, behavior, UTMs, pages they visited, and actions they made, which is again nothing but the behaviors. So, for example, you can segment the audience who visited your website in the last 90 days but did not make a purchase. This is a basic one which any one of you would do, and it is not very interesting. Now, let me tell you an interesting audience segment that is favorite for most of the marketers that I spoke to. Segmenting the users who viewed a particular product more than 3 times in the last 45 days but did not make a purchase. That shows that a user is very much interested in that product but did not purchase. So for that kind of audience segment, you can come up with marketing strategies by assuming why the user did not make a purchase. So he viewed the product 3 times but did not purchase. It might be because he wanted a different variation of the product, or he might have felt the price of the product is more high than what he expected. So whatever it can be, so if you think the price is criteria, you can retarget them by showing a price drop. If you think it is the way lack of variation that led to user not purchasing, you can show them more variations in that same product. So this is how, based on a few assumptions, you can come up with your own marketing strategies and show them personalized ads on ad platforms. That feasibility and flexibility is offered by Customer Labs. You can go a step further, segment users based on their AOV, the average order value. Some of the very recently trendy audience segment I see these days is the AOV. And let me tell you, it does not stop just here. As I was telling you in the beginning, go beyond conversion tracking. What I am about to reveal is something that might be very new to you, and you might have never heard about it in any video or any document out there, except for 2 or 3 secret documents that got leaked from Custom Labs. So it's none other than optimizing beyond standard purchase event. If you're running an ad campaign with a purchase event as your goal and tracking all the purchase event and sending it to ad campaigns, but the ad campaign that you're running is for shirts and the purchase data you send has more of a purchasers who purchased pant. Now, how will Meta or Google know that you're optimizing for shirt purchases and not pant purchases? Because the data you're sending is all purchase data, which is having more of a pant purchases. So only when you share the purchase data of shirt purchased event, you will be able to optimize for the shirt ad campaign. You cannot track and send these data to ad platforms, that is the particular category purchased event, to optimize your ad campaign for that particular category purchase using any other plugin that I have discussed here further. I don't think there's any other tool that lets you do outside also, but if you come across, please let me know in the comments. So, if you want to optimize your ad campaigns based on a particular category and based on AOV and a combination of both, because you obviously want more number of high AOV purchases from your meta ads because you're spending on ads. So Customer Labs is the right plugin for you. So if you want to know more about it, comment below or book a demo by clicking on the link given in the video description to schedule a demo with us. Another key feature of Customer Labs is you can integrate your WooCommerce store with any of the email marketing platforms or WhatsApp marketing channel like line chat, etc., and send personalized messages for all those audience segments that you create inside Custom Labs. For example, you create an audience segment for a specific category of your audience. You can retarget them or you can send messages to these audiences on email marketing platform or WhatsApp marketing platform if you have their known data, that is WhatsApp number or email ID. If you don't have their known information, send them to Meta Ads. Custom Labs will be able to help you activate anonymous website visitors on these ad platforms. Next, Customer Labs also helps you share your data, the first party data, with BigQuery or any other data warehouse to help you perform advanced analysis of your data and generate custom reports to get more insights on your data. So this is about Customer Labs. Let's move on and see what are the pros and cons of Customer Labs. Pros. Let's first discuss pros and go to cons. Customer Labs acts as a single source for storing and managing all your first party data. You can store this first party data for as long as you want based on the subscription plan you choose, as I was telling you about. Next, you can track all the conversions with value to power your value-based bidding strategies and also to leverage value-based lookalike audiences and to basically train the ad algorithm and let it know what is the value that you're getting out of these conversions. Customer Labs also powers you with the ability to send data to platform of your choice, be it Meta Ads, Google Ads, email platforms, LinkedIn Ads, WhatsApp marketing tools, etc., etc. You can send your data to any platform of your choice and also get the data from any platform of your choice into Customer Labs. It also offers you a centralized consent trigger screen that helps you manage consent parameters in platforms. For example, you can toggle on add underscore user underscore data and add underscore personalization for Google Ads as part of consent mode V2 using this centralized trigger. In the same from the same place, you can also leverage Facebook's LDU, that is limited data use policy. That's the centralized consent trigger screen that helps you manage consent parameters across any platforms. For now, only Google and Facebook have brought in this consent status conveyance, but then moving forward, every platform might come up with the same consent triggers. So you can manage that from single platform using Customer Labs. You will be a step ahead if you are choosing Customer Labs. Yeah, because you don't know which platform you might wish to explore in the future and what changes they might bring up. Custom Labs is always updated and a step ahead to offer you with everything that the platforms would need. Next Pro, it is very easy, no code integration with just a few clicks to any integration for your WooCommerce store. So any platform that you can think of, integration can be done for your WooCommerce store to gather data from here and there very seamlessly. Custom Labs is one such tool. When you set up Conversions API for meta ads for Custom Labs, you will witness a spike in your event match quality. We have seen for purchase event 9.3 event match quality. For page view and all, we have seen 6.3, 7.2, some sort of event match quality for a certain specific clients. So if you want to leverage good performance, event match quality is one leading indicator for your ad performance. And to boost event match quality, Custom Labs is the right tool that helps you with it. Customer Labs is a patented technology that helps you activate anonymous website visitors across ad platforms. This is one of the major thing which every WooCommerce store owner or marketer wants, because around 98% of your website store visitors, that is the WooCommerce store visitors, are anonymous. If you want to activate these anonymous website visitors on ad platforms, Custom Labs is the only tool that is patented and helps you with it. And finally, the last one, the overall implementation of Custom Labs is very easy, very quick, and it is ROI positive. Now, let's see the cons. One drawback that you would face using CustomerLabs is there is no direct product feed that you can send into Google Merchant Center or Meta Catalog. You also cannot have a detailed analytics or reporting capabilities when you're using CustomerLabs. But however, if you can integrate CustomerLabs with BigQuery and pull off all this data into BigQuery, you can perform a detailed analysis. So that is something that you can do despite CustomerLabs lacking reporting. Because CustomerLabs is not good for reporting; it is more of a robust conversion tracking for your WooCommerce store, and with all the other features that we just discussed. One more con, it's not a free plugin, so you'll have to get a paid. However, considering the price, I feel it is very economical and affordable for all of the WooCommerce store owners, and it will be worth it, whatever you're paying. So that's about Custom Labs. Next, moving on, we have next in line a plugin by WooCommerce itself, the WooCommerce Conversion Tracking Pro plugin. So this is a plugin which WooCommerce developers has brought to you to help you track all the conversions inside WooCommerce store. So let's see its key features. This plugin helps you with easy integration with Meta Ads, Google Ads, Twitter, and Perfect Audience. However, if you want to go for any custom integration, for example, Bing Ads, it offers, but then it is very not so easy as with Meta Ads, Google Ads, and Twitter. This WooCommerce Conversion Tracking Pro plugin will help you track and send all the standard events that Meta offers to Meta Ads. It goes a step beyond, and it also helps you feed Facebook product catalog directly from your WooCommerce store. There is some amazing feature that this WooCommerce Conversion Tracking Pro plugin offers you. Next, let's see pros. So one pro is, as you have seen, Facebook product catalog feed is very you can leverage that inside by using this WooCommerce Conversion Tracking Pro plugin. You can connect seamlessly with Meta, Twitter, and Perfect Audience to send your conversion data very seamlessly. Next, let's move on to cons. One of the major cons is this Conversion Tracking Pro tracks the conversions on the browser side. There is no server side tracking, and therefore the data losses will be high because of the data privacy updates and third-party cookie deprecation and all of that. This all will result in a low EMQ score because you don't have the flexibility to send all the parameters that you send, and you can't even track effectively. Plus, it does not offer 1P domain tracking. 1P domain tracking is very essential because all the third party tracking tools will be blocked by ad blockers, and some of the new Web3 based browsers like Brave and Firefox or other Safari also are deprecating these third party cookies. So it will be very difficult if you're just using WooCommerce Conversion Tracking Pro plugin. Another drawback is you cannot send this product feed data to Google Merchant Center. You can send only to Facebook. So that is a con that you would see with when you're using this WooCommerce Conversion Tracking Pro plugin. Next, it does not offer audience segmentation. There is no consent mode support. So basically, if you want to leverage Google Consent Mode V2, because without Consent Mode V2, Google will not accept all the data that you send. So this plugin will fail there if you are sending if you're wanting to send the data to Google Ads, because Google will not be able to use the conversion data that you send without these consent parameters of Consent Mode V2. Next, this WooCommerce Conversion Tracking Pro plugin lacks custom event tracking for optimizing based on AOV, based on particular category that I discussed about. So I was telling you that no other plugin has, so only CustomerLabs plugin has. So WooCommerce Conversion Tracking Pro plugin lacks the ability to track custom events and optimize for AOV, high AOV, and optimize for a particular category purchase. Next, let's move on to number three, Conversios. So Conversios is one amazing plugin that you can definitely try. It offers you to track complete user behavior. It helps you connect with GA4, Google Ads, Metapixel, and Conversions API very easily. It's also same plug and play, click and seamless integration with these ad platforms. It also helps you automate product feed to Google Merchant Center. Not just that, it also has the ability to create and manage performance max campaigns inside Conversios. That's an amazing feature of Conversios. Let's see pros. Conversios offer server-side tracking. It helps you send product feed to Google Merchant Center. It will seamlessly connect with Meta Ads, Google Ads, and GA4 seamlessly. So nextly, the Cons. Conversios cannot store your conversion data, cannot store your audience data. Therefore, it cannot segment. I mean, it cannot offer you audience segmentation. One of the major drawback Conversios has is consent mode. So, as I was telling you, consent mode V2 is very much important with respect to Google Ads. And if you do not have consent mode, Google Ads will not use data, and Conversios fails there. It does not have consent mode settings to send all the conversion data along with consent parameters. It also lacks 1P domain tracking, which is very much essential amidst the data privacy updates that are happening. Next, it also lacks custom event tracking. Like if you want to track any other custom event, it sadly fails there. So it would not be a great plugin if you want to track some custom events. Next, we have Monster Insight. This Monster Insights plugin is again a very good tool, I would say, for e-commerce marketers that you can use for your WooCommerce store. I would not say it is great at conversion tracking, but it is a very helpful tool for you because you can see one, it will provide all the e-commerce event tracking for your WooCommerce store, that Facebook, all the standard events. So it also has easy integration with GA4, and it helps you connect with Google Ads and Meta Ads. So all this integration is very easy. In addition to that, it also provides affiliate link tracking, focus keyword tracking, custom event tracking with link attributes, and scroll tracking, video and media tracking, and various reports and integrations that are possible with Monster Insights for your WooCommerce store. So it's a lot of things that you can do with Monster Insights plugin. So these are the key features. Let's see the pros and cons. So ideally, I would say use Monster Insights plugin if you want better reports and analytics. So as I told you, it is giving really great insights. You can see video and media tracking, scroll tracking, focus keyword tracking, affiliate link tracking, which is very much essential for most of the WooCommerce store marketers. So and it will generate various reports and has various integrations, so all of that. So for custom event tracking also, it helps you with it, easy integration with Google Ads, GA4, and Meta. Now let's see the cons. So I would not say it as a very good conversion tool, because it's more of a reporting tool is what I felt, because the name itself tells you Monster Insights. It gives you more insights into what's happening on your WooCommerce store. So has browser side tracking, therefore you will have a low EMQ. I explained you why it will have a low EMQ, so all that. And it lacks 1P domain tracking. It does not offer the first party domain tracking, again giving you very low quality results. As it is not storing any data, it lacks audience segmentation, and it does not support consent mode. It also lacks custom event tracking based on actions. It provides custom event based on link attributes, but it lacks custom event tracking based on the direct event tracking if you want to track any specific custom events. As I told, it cannot store data, and the consent mode will not be very much you. I mean, it will not provide consent mode for you. Next, Facebook for WooCommerce. This is a plugin by Facebook itself and is an amazing tool because for it will help you track all your WooCommerce events inside Meta. So it will help you track all the e-commerce events and the users behavior, and easily integrate your e-commerce WooCommerce store to your Facebook account. So the data tracking with Facebook Pixel and Convergence API is very easy, and all the data flows very excellently. However, we'll see the cons, but before that, the pros are track all the standard events that Meta has, because Meta itself created this plugin, so it will have all the standard events that you want to track, and it helps you set up both Metapixel and Cappy. Let's see the cons. The major con is it is available only for Meta ads. You can send data only to Meta ads. You cannot send the data to Google Ads, GA4, etc. Again, no 1P domain tracking. Facebook is a third party tool, and it cannot track the users effectively, and it is against data privacy laws. And you don't have the ability to track custom events, and you don't have the ability to store the data, therefore no audience segmentation. Next, we have PixelCat, the conversion pixel manager. Actually, this was earlier Facebook's conversion pixel or something like that. So it was mostly for Facebook, but now it is also available for GA4. So easy setup of Facebook Pixel, Facebook Conversions API, and GA4. It has both free and pro version. So free version offers almost most of the things that you want as a basic marketer wants. The premium version of PixelCat supplements with audience exclusion, custom audience creation, and all that. Now, PixelCat will also help you leverage dynamic ads if you're using WooCommerce product feed for PixelCat. So let's see the pros. It's just one-click integration for Metapixel, Conversions API, and GA4. It helps you product feed to meta ads. So and it is also helping you with custom audience creation and track meta ads campaign performance. So this is one of the very good features that PixelCat has. Cons: no easy Google Ads integration. There's no 1P domain tracking. Again, 1P domain tracking is very much essential, guys. Go for 1P domain tracking to see the spike in your ad campaign performance. That's a very big process, but yeah, in short, that's what it is. It lacks custom audience segmentation, and it lacks consent mode support, and it lacks custom event tracking. Next, PixelYourSite. PixelYourSite is one such plugin which caught my attention and is very helpful, is what I felt. It helps you with event tracking for tracking page views, purchases, form submission, and any other custom event that you want. You can connect Metapixel and implement Facebook Conversions API. You can connect your GA4. You can connect Google Ads for conversion tracking. All that very easily. You can also add any script that you want to, wherever you want to track. So it is also offering WooCommerce first party reports. So all of these are amazing features that Pixel Your Site provides. If you want Facebook product catalogs or Google Merchant Center or Google custom remarketing or Pinterest catalogs, you have separate plugin for that Pixel Your Site offers. Let's see some pros for Pixel Your Site. One good thing which I really liked is Pixel Your Site supports Google Consent Mode V2. So out of all the plugins that we discussed so far, only CustomerLabs and Pixel Your Site will support Google Consent Mode V2. The automatic event tracking is very easy with PixelYourSite as well, just as how it is easy with CustomerLabs. PixelYourSite also supports DPA ads, that is the dynamic product ads inside your Facebook ad campaigns. And conversion value is tracked for each conversion event that you track, just like how you are able to track your conversions inside CustomerLabs or using CustomerLabs plugin. Cons, I would again say no 1P domain tracking, and I think Pixel side also works on the browser side. I don't think there's a server side integration for this Pixel side. It also lacks custom audience segmentation and also lacks custom event tracking. So these are some cons of it. So I think by now, so we come to the question: what is the best plugin to use for your WooCommerce Meta Conversions API, Google Ads conversion tracking? Or to put more simply, what is the best plugin for my WooCommerce store to track conversions inside Meta Ads and Google Ads? That is the question that you will be having now. So guess. So I think almost 100% sure you might have arrived at a conclusion which might be the best WooCommerce plugin for your WooCommerce store to track conversions inside Google Ads and Meta Ads. And 100% sure it is none other than CustomerLabs plugin for WooCommerce conversion tracking that offers you immense benefits and comes with a lot of pros and suits almost all your business needs, not just for today but also for tomorrow. To be future ready, to be prepared, Custom Labs is the right plugin to set up for your WooCommerce store to track conversions inside Meta Ads and Google Ads. So if you have any questions or any queries, any of the topics that we discussed, or if you want to stay ahead and be the part of 1PD Ops revolution, join Custom Labs community and discuss all your doubts with fellow 1PD Ops experts and stay updated, stay tuned. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be happy to answer.